Our customer base here in the Southwest United States, producing very important mineral for the energy transition, critical mineral. The majority of it is copper, but also other minerals. So we've seen growing demand, and our expansion to Southwest United States is to help that customer base with solutions and services to keep their operations running.
Mesa Service Center expansion will mean faster services to our customers here in Southwest. We will have capabilities to serve all of our Metso core technologies throughout the life cycle of the asset. We will also have a state-of-the-art training facility to help our customers to operate better with their assets, and that will ultimately mean less downtime for customers.
The new Metso Training Center allows us to be able to have a truly dynamic and hybrid learning experience where they're going to be able to have classroom experience, going to give them that theoretical knowledge, and then they're able to step right out into that equipment floor to now take that practical approach and apply it.
The Mesa expansion entails a 17,000 square foot addition to our shop with 3,000 square foot shipping and receiving area being added onto that, a 7,000 square foot dedicated training center, as well as new machining centers. For our customers, what this means is increased quality, increased capacity, both on factor of scale and throughput, shortening lead times.
So I think there's three main values that the customer can receive from doing a repair with Metso. So one is it is an OEM certified repair, which we stand behind with our warranty. Second advantage is we can take the repair end to end. And third, it is a sustainable option versus having to buy a new piece of equipment. So the fact that we can bring these components and equipments back to OEM spec, extend the life, we're contributing positively to our customers' sustainability goals.
I think our field services are going to bring their strategic knowledge into the repair facility as well, and play a very critical role during the tear-down inspection and also the assembly portion. A strategic role in safety as well.
The customers are asking for our resources to come in and help them maintain, not just to maintain so we can take it from them, but help to maintain for knowledge transfer.
Ultimately, we're in a partnership, and we want to change the industry around from a reactive to a more proactive industry altogether.